Welcome back to the channel. Today I got something very important I want to talk to you about. I want you to join me as I learn the best techniques to use the pepper spray and the stun gun to stay safe in this crazy world. In today's world, self-defense is more important than ever before. That's why I want to talk to you about pepper spray and a stun gun. We're going to talk about why self-defense is very important for you and I. Like I stated before, the rise in crime rates is unpredictable in situations. It's crucial to take proactive measures to protect ourselves. That's why I want to talk to you about the two essential tools that we can use to empower ourselves. And like I stated before, it's pepper spray, stun gun. We're going to talk about these items and why it's important for you to have one by. That's why I want to talk to you about these guys. Living in an urban environment can be overwhelming, and the fear of being attacked or robbed is always present. We've all heard the horror stories or even experienced them ourselves. The truth is, we're all vulnerable, and that's why it's essential to take personal safety seriously. The statistics are alarming. According to recent reports, there were over 1 million reported violent crimes in the United States alone last year. That's a staggering number, and it's a harsh reminder that we need to be prepared to defend ourselves. Urban areas are especially prone to crimes with the dark alleys, crowded streets, and endless opportunities for predators to strike. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being realistic. We need to acknowledge that this world can be a dangerous place, and we must take the steps to protect ourselves. That's why carrying self-defense tools like pepper spray and stun guns can make all the difference. When we're walking along at night, taking public transportation, or even walking to a car in a desert parking lot, you're vulnerable. And that's exactly why we need a reliable defense mechanism. Pepper spray and stun guns can give you that sense of security, the confidence that you need to defend yourself if needed. Now, we're going to dive into these tools, how they work, and why they're effective. Pepper spray it's a non-lethal way to incapacitate your attackers. It causes a temporary blindness. You spray them, and the first 20 seconds, they got the eyes closed. It's an automatic reflex they have. Gives you the time to get away from your attacker. It's also got irritants. It irritates the skin, and it's disorientate your attacker. Stun guns, on the other hand, delivers a high voltage shock that can immobilize your attacker. Both of these tools are designed to give you time to escape and go and get some help. And it can save your life. One of the most significant advantages of pepper sprays and stun guns is their distinct nature. They're small, they're lightweight, they're easy to carry, making them perfect for everyday use. And the proper training, you can use them effectively in high-pressure situations. There's a common misconception that these self-defense tools are only used for extreme situations, but the truth is they can be used in everyday encounters, like fending off aggressive panhandlers or threatened strangers. And let's not forget, pepper spray and stun guns are legal in most states as long as you follow the rules and regulations of your state that you live in. That's why it's very important to talk about these situations. If you would like to look at these types of items, click the link below, goes to my online store, and I have a variety of brands of stun guns, pepper spray, and most importantly that I have not talked about is body alarms. If you don't want to use the first two options, at least get you a body alarm. When you're being attacked or something, you need something that is loud, that will attract other people around you that can come and help call the law and get you some assistance. Check out the link below and find out more. Now, in conclusion, pepper spray and stun guns can be a game changer for your personal safety. They're effective, legal way to use, give you the confidence and security that you need to navigate our increasingly unpredictable world. And once again, thank you for watching Beyond the Badge, Inside the Bars. Now, there's fixing to be another YouTube channel called Inside the Bars, and it's going to talk about self-defense tools and why you would need them. And it's going to have some talkings on these topics. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this self-defense and personal safety in the comments below. If you like the video, make sure you check out my other videos and stay safe in this crazy world. And don't forget to share this channel. And thank you for watching.